Hey everybody, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great way to scrub out all of those dark looking stuff on your lip. Okay, I know that some people actually love their lip looking dark, but for those people who want to get even lip, tone up lip, and a more pinker lip, this particular remedy is for you. Okay, so you go give this a go and I'm sure it's going to be very helpful. All right guys, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share, and then let's go. Alright guys, so are you actually suffering from dark lip, or maybe you actually don't just like the color of your lip, or maybe you're actually smoking, or you've actually used a cream that has eventually make your lip dark. Now do you know that some of the lipstick that we use actually make our lip dark? Okay, so if you don't know that, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would actually help you to remove those darkness and make your lip look really pink. Okay, so the first ingredient we're going to be needing is sugar. Now you need the sugar because you need to scrub out dead skin cells on your lip. Now do you know that all of those things that is actually making your lip dark are dead skin cells, and you actually do not want to have those darkness, and the smaller granite particles in this sugar would aid in lifting up all of those dead skin cells and giving you that pink lip. So we're gonna be getting a bowl. Alright, so after that you're also going to be needing lemon. Okay guys, I know that some of you guys are going to argue with me on this. This is our local lemon. It is usually this green, and sometimes it can change in color and all of that, but I got this in the local market and this is how our lemon is. So you need a citric juice to actually aid in removing your dark lip, and also vitamin C because it contains a whole lot of vitamin C. Okay, so this is my lemon and I'm going to be squeezing a reasonable juice into this sugar. Okay, I think that is actually okay. You mix it, but not mix it too much so that it won't actually dissolve all of the sugar particles. Alright guys, so the very next ingredient you're going to be needing is rice powder. Now mixing rice powder with this other ingredients would evenly help you to remove all of the darkness on your lip, therefore leaving your lip looking pink in just a couple of days. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna be putting in 1 tablespoon of I'll have to be putting about 2 tablespoons of the rice powder. And then you stir it all up. Okay guys, so the last ingredient for this is gonna be honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing agent for the lip. It helps tone up the lip, it helps to leave the lip looking pink, and it also helps to soften the lip, guys. You need your lip to get softer and succulent. You know, you need your lip to be kissable, so that's why you need to include honey into this mixture. So I'm actually gonna be taking about 1 tablespoon of honey, into this mixture. So have to be stirring this all up just like this. Yeah, and after that, guys, your lip scrub is ready. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to grab your lip scrub and then you're going to store this. You have to store it. It's not going to go bad. You can keep it for even 2 weeks and it's not going to go bad. So what you do is that you grab this lip scrub and then you put it on your lip. Okay, sorry guys, I would have to be using my hands because the smell of all of those things, the smell of it right now, smell of honey can't go with me right now because of my unborn baby. Yeah, so you excuse me. So what you do now is that you grab this, put it on your lip, and then you scrub it in a circular motion just like this. Circular motion is better. Yeah, okay, so you have to scrub this for at least 1 whole minute, 60 seconds. Okay, now when you're done scrubbing, then you have to apply it again and spread it all up. When you're done applying, you spread it and leave it like this, and then after that is done, you're going to be noticing that it's going to have this a little of tinkling sensation. It's perfect. Yes guys, so I actually just showed you using my hand because I'm so allergic to some smell right now because of my present situation. All right, so go give this a go. Scrub your lip off those darkness and avoid smoking, and then moisturize your lip every night before sleeping, and your lip will stay pink, hydrated, and very, very soft. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.